Okay, do the ID chamfer here. I'm just going to use my radius bit in here. So I'll just go ahead and use the bottom of the radius here to just knock off the corner a little bit. So we'll just feed that down slowly until it catches and we'll be good. Get a little bit there to break the edge. That should do it. There it goes. I don't want to take too much of that off because I want the gases to hit that in reverse so it doesn't go in the hole. Okay, now I'll go ahead and swap out this bit and change the one to the outside ready cut with. Okay, for the outside chamfer, I'm going to use a fly cutter here in my boring head. And I got an angle cut bit right here. Get it close so you can see it. It doesn't like that, does it? So anyway, right in there. Try to get the focus to work here so you can see it. There we go. I can see a little bit better. So we're going to cut that right there. We'll just feed that in with our handle, and we're going to crank it up with the table right here, and that will slowly cut it. I get a lot of static weight here out of balance, so it'll shake slightly, but not too bad. Just feed it down until it hits. There it goes. Go down until I get a decent chamfer. About 50 thou or so. That looks pretty good. Okay, so that allows you to put your pipe on there. So it's about the same as we got on this one over here. It's about the same. If you want to measure it, you can come in here and measure it. See how much it is. Where are we at here? There we go. So we're just under 50. About 45. Close enough. It's not that critical. Okay, so that takes care of that. Back this on. Alright, so this head's all done on this. And this one here, where we previously ground all these fins out. Spent a few hours doing all that. So a lot of work involved there. So all I can do now is just kind of deburr this a little bit through here. Do the final knockdown to make it look as clean as I can so you can't see it's been redone completely, hopefully. Try to hide the fact that we did. So for now this one's done. So we're going to yank this out and we're going to flip this all jigging all around so I can do the other two heads. So I still got these two over here to do down there. So those will be the other heads. Those are the front heads. This here is the rear head. So to do the front head we just flip this 90 degrees this way and we'll be cutting this head on this side over on this side over here. So you can use the same jigging for both heads, which makes it nice. So anyway, that's where we're at for now. Here's our two rear heads, all exhaust spigots cut on them. So this one here I haven't done any grinding back in here yet. This one here I roughed it out before already. Cut down between the fins. So that's the difference between what they look like raw and after you've done some work on them. So I still got to do some more work in here, knock this down a lot thinner. Get rid of a bunch of this big lip that we got here. But there's your difference between the exhaust ports. You have to do a lot of work in. All of this has to be hand blended in. This one here was pretty clean. So this is our 60 head here. This is our 58 head here. So you see there's a lot more pouring involved on this one because they had to weld up so much more of this exhaust spigot because it's so bad. So you can see how deep the weld went on this one, way over to here. This one here we only went down a little bit, just on the outside edge here. So you can see on the inside it only goes into there, and this one here goes way down to there. We had weld, so a lot more weld. So anyway, that's what they look like when they're roughed out together. So with our jigging, each head comes out pretty much the same when you're done. So the exhaust pipes will fit hopefully back like they're supposed to correctly, not having any interference. So these ones are just one step further along in getting these done. So that's it for these for now.